Here we got I believe this is a Dodson 10 by 15 open press. Yes, Chaser 10 by 15. It does have a motor that comes with it, with a leather belt to run this, the flywheel. It could also be set up with a pedal for manual operation. Does not included, but could be set up for that. I'm going to show you how it operates here, just using this hand wheel. There's 2 chases included. Here's one, the other's over with the parts, which I'll show you afterwards. There is pretty much just one control here. This piece here disengages and engages the chase. If you turn this wheel, you'll see these are the inking rollers. They would be inking the chase, which we'll throw in a minute here. These pieces here are the clamp for the paper. You'd have your ink up here, which is these rollers will be re-inked after they go to the top up here and come back down. And if you look closely here, you'll see currently it would have made an impression, but if I have this handle backwards, there's no impression. So if you're setting up, you can run it back there and not make an impression as you go through. We'll take this down and throw the chase in. That works. The chase goes in real easy. Slips right down in there, and there's a little bar, a little clip here. Just lift that. Goes on. You'll see here again, you would take a sheet of stack paper from here, put it on here. This is like your for your printed sheets when you're done. And it would ink up that chase, go down, clamp the paper, and actually, now it would actually do an impression. And there's actually a counter here too, an old counter. You see that just clicked. Throw this a little bit. It clicks, one more impression. So you can see you can actually do this. I don't believe this is the preferred way of running the machine, but you can, for setup purposes or for showing you in video, run it by the hand wheel. Over here, we have the extra chase. There is a DC motor, which is much newer than the machine. That motor costs over $1,000 by itself, but it is in good working order. There's leather belts that go from this here to that flywheel I was just using to manually run the machine. There's a variable speed control here, just the speed of the press. The power on the motor is, I believe, 350. What does it say? Horsepower. It is. This doesn't actually say half horsepower. Oh shoot. Oh, it's regular 110. Okay, so it just plugs into a regular wall outlet. Nothing special needed to run the machine. There's a couple of extra coins to get you started. And there's a couple of roller holders back here that you can hang up to hold your rollers when they're not in the machine if you're die cutting. Just 2 different sets. That's it.